Mobile applications, particularly mobile consumer applications, will continue to drive the industry in the upcoming year, particularly with regard to number of users. If we look at the whole history of GIS, since it was founded, the technology has always been able to answer more questions than we had the data to be able to analyze. So it's the aggregation of data, the collection of more data, that will drive the development in the year to come and probably in years beyond that into the future. We all see that more and more traditional data repositories are becoming web-enabled. There's also another component, though, which is the creation of these big data storehouses of information that's collected as the ancillary process of some sort of consumer application. The best example I can think of this is the Google drive time analysis. What happens is they're trying to route you in the most efficient path to your destination, but at the same time they're looking at all the people driving ahead of you and behind you, and from that have the ability then to warn you of an approaching gridlock situation. This is data that's being created just as a byproduct of their operation that in turn has value to solve an entirely different problem than the one they proposed. This is one reason we've invested heavily in indoor technology. We would like the ability to analyze what is occurring inside the building just as carefully as we do what's happening outside the building. Emergency preparedness, for example. When there's an emergency response, location inside the building may even be fundamentally more important than what's occurring outside the building. And the ability to integrate those into a seamless environment for planning and response is fundamental to where the industry is going in the future. We are rapidly seeing GPS location become the location beacon of the last generation.